Hello everybody, this is a 2014 Maserati Ghibli and I'm trying to change the battery on this thing. The battery, you just have to push this button and then to push this button and remove the key here. So you remove the key and then you have let me see which number is this. T6. If you see, it's T6 torque that you have to remove this bolt right here. Once you remove that one right there, and then you should be able to remove this side. And there's a little holder here on this side, so be careful not to break it. And then this other side, same thing. And then you can pry it open from these two. If you put your flat screwdriver on one of these, it will open it up. So I pry it up like this, and then you can open it up. Put this one on the side, and then you have the same T6 right here. One T6, you have to open that one too. These are the two T6. This one is the to hold the whole cover, and this one holding the little this part right here. And once you remove that one, you should be able to access the battery. Pretty simple and easy. And this is a very popular battery, CR2032. When you put it back together, you just have to put them all the same. The positive goes underneath like this. The positive goes down and the negative up. So that's how it goes. And to put it back together, you just put everything in reverse. Once you replace the battery, just put this one back, and this one goes like this. You see that little, this side right here goes right there, just like that. Just snap back in. That's it. And put these two on the side and then screw it up. That's it. That's all you have to do.